Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher May, and today we're going to learn something very useful. Household chores. Do you help your family at home? Do you wash dishes? Clean your room? Or maybe cook? Those are all examples of household chores. In today's lesson, I'll teach you what household chores are, give you some examples, and help you learn how to talk about them in English. So get comfortable and let's start learning together. So first, what does the word chore mean? A chore is a small job that you do regularly, something that helps take care of your home. When we say household chores, we mean the jobs we do at home to keep it clean, organized, and comfortable. For example, cleaning, washing, cooking, sweeping, or watering plants, all of these are chores. Doing chores is important because it teaches us to be responsible and helpful. Everyone in the family can share chores: children, parents, and even grandparents.
So, remember, a household chore is a job we do to help at home. Now, let's learn some examples. I'll say the chore, and you can repeat after me. Ready? Sweep the floor. Dust the furniture. Wash the dishes. Do the laundry. Make the bed. Water the plants. Cook dinner. Take out the rubbish. Clean the bathroom. Very good. These are all common household chores. You can say, I sweep the floor every morning. I help my mom cook dinner. I make my bed before school. These are simple and natural ways to talk about your chores in English. Now let's talk about who does the chores in your family. In my house, for example, I do the laundry. My brother washes the dishes. My mom cooks dinner. And my dad takes out the rubbish. Everyone has their own job. What about you? Who does the chores in your home? You can answer like this. My dad cooks dinner. My sister cleans the bathroom. I help with the laundry. Remember, chores are teamwork. Everyone can do a little bit to make the home happy and clean. Now you might ask, Teacher May, why do we need to do chores? Well, that's a great question. We do chores to 1. Keep our homes clean and tidy. 2. Help our families. 3. Learn to be responsible. 4. Practice independence. When you clean your room, you're not just making it look nice, you're learning to take care of your own space. When you cook or wash dishes, you're helping your family and learning useful life skills. So chores aren't just work, they're ways to grow and become responsible people. Now let's practice some sentences you can use to talk about chores in English. Repeat after me, nice and clearly. I make my bed every morning. I help my mom cook dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I take out the rubbish every night. I water the plants in the garden. I clean my room on weekends. Well done! When you talk about chores, you can use words like always, usually, sometimes, and never. For example, I always make my bed. I usually wash the dishes. I sometimes help my dad cook. I never forget to take out the rubbish. These words make your sentences sound more natural. Okay, now let's have a little fun. I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to think about your answers. Question 1. What chore do you like doing? Maybe you like cooking, or watering the plants, or folding clothes. Question 2. What chore do you not like doing? Maybe cleaning the bathroom or taking out the rubbish. For me, I like cooking, but I don't like ironing clothes. What about you? You can tell me in the comments below. Let's review what we learned today. Household chores are small jobs we do at home to help our family. Examples include washing dishes, making the bed, sweeping the floor, and doing the laundry. Doing chores teach us to be kind, responsible, and helpful. You all did an amazing job learning with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What chores do you do at home? I'd love to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching. You've been wonderful students. See you next time, and remember, helping at home makes you a hero. Bye, everyone!